What is up, you guys? It's Maddie. As you guys saw in my last video, I definitely 100% have way too many clothes, and it is definitely time to clean everything out. A lot of the stuff I've had since like probably freshman year of high school that I just don't wear anymore. And honestly, my style has just changed a lot. I definitely don't wear the same clothes that I wore when I was a freshman in high school. So in today's video, we are going to be bringing out our inner Marie Kondo and reorganizing and cleaning out my entire closet. So let's hope that we can get rid of at least 50% of all of my clothes. I am also going to be selling a bunch of my clothes on Poshmark because I feel like other people could get more use out of them. So if you guys are interested in that, I will leave my username right here and all the information in the down bar below if you guys want to check that out. Okay, this is my closet. It is a walk-in closet that I have in my room, and as you guys can see, it is an absolute mess. You guys can't see it because there's too many clothes in the way, but I do have a shelf. Let me move these out of the way. So I have this little cube organizer to organize all of my pants and skirts, leggings, all of that stuff. Then these little basket organizer things are for socks, and I have one for bras and underwear. So I don't know, I just feel like this is a lot better of a system than having a dresser because it takes up a lot less space. Over there I just have the little organizer for my shoes. Then I have all of these clothes hung up right here. As you can see, there's a lot of them. Then behind the door I just keep all of my like purses, scarves, bags, all of that stuff. If you guys have seen the show, then you would know that the first step to Marie Kondo's process is to take literally everything out of your closet and put it into one giant pile. It is literally full of clothes. Like, this is kind of embarrassing. I also broke a hanger in the process. Rest in peace. So this entire process started at around 9 o'clock this morning. I started filming and setting up everything around 9. And after I put together this whole pile of clothes, I took a little break and we went to the fruit market, but I am back now and it is currently 12:49. And I just want to see like how long this takes. Here is my little setup right here. The clothing rack is going to be for things that I know I'm definitely going to keep, but I want to wait so I can organize it properly in my closet. And then these two bins are for getting rid of stuff. Step number 2 in the entire Marie Kondo process is to thank our clothes for doing their job and thank them for being in our lives. So that's what we're gonna do. So clothes, I just want to say thank you for doing your job. I love each and every one of you very much. I'm very sorry if I give some of you away, but I still love you. I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore. So step number 3 of the whole Marie Kondo process is to go through every single piece of clothing that you have and hold it and decide whether or not it sparks joy in your life. This was the dress that I wore to homecoming my senior year, so I think I'm definitely gonna keep this just in case. This flannel is something that I don't really wear anymore, so I think I'm going to sell this and put it up on Poshmark. This is one of my all-time favorite dresses, especially for the summertime. It's so light and flowy, so this does spark joy for me, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. This dress is something that I'm definitely keeping. It still has the tags on it, but it's because I got it on clearance at like the beginning of winter, so I never got a chance to wear it. This dress is the one I wore to a film festival awards ceremony. I think it's so, so pretty. I'm definitely keeping this. And then this dress is my prom dress from senior year. Definitely keeping this. I think it's so, so pretty. Done. So here's the situation right now. We'll start in the closet. So here I have things that I'm like 90% sure I'm keeping. Originally I thought I was going to go through the entire pile one time and be able to decide like definitely yes, definitely no, but it's really hard, especially because these are all of my winter and summer clothes. So I feel like I kept a lot, but I really didn't keep as much as I thought I did. So this is why I feel like I got rid of a lot of stuff, because all of these hangers were filled. So I don't know why this is making me feel like I am keeping too much stuff. So I'm going to go through each pile again and kind of make my last decision, if that makes sense. So let me show you guys how I have organized all this so far. This is the section of stuff that I am keeping, and also the other stuff on the clothing rack. So this pile is things that I am like 90% sure I'm gonna keep. I need to go through it again, but this is all stuff that would go in my cube organizer that I have in my closet. So like pants, t-shirts, pajamas, all that stuff. This is stuff that I think I'm going to sell on Poshmark, but I'm not positive about it yet. This is stuff that I think my sister would probably want, so I'm gonna give that to her. This tub has a bunch of random stuff in it that I really just don't know what to do with, because like I don't want to get rid of my One Direction concert t-shirts, but like am I ever gonna wear them again? Probably not. And then this pile is stuff that I need to try on again that I just honestly don't remember if it even fits me or not. So I think my plan right now is to go through each section, because going through the giant pile on my bed took almost an hour. It took less than an hour, so I feel like I probably should have gone through it a little bit more carefully. I might start with this pile of stuff that would go in my cube organizer and decide if I want that stuff or not. So I'm gonna get started on that, and I'm also gonna be counting each like category of clothing, I guess, so we can get like a grand total of stuff that I am getting rid of and keeping and stuff like that. That way I can actually tell if I am keeping about 50% of my clothes or not. So we're gonna do that too. I honestly thought that I would be able to get all this done yesterday, and honestly I probably could have, but then we went out for dinner and I went out after that, so this didn't get done. So it is currently 9:54. We're gonna get started on this project day 2 right now because I want this to get done today. My next step is to go through this box of clothes and count it all and then put it back. Okay, so I tried everything on and it's all sorted out. So this is what I am selling, this is what I'm keeping, and that's what I'm donating. So we have it all sorted out now. So now I'm just going to count all of this stuff, add it all up, and then we'll move on to the next section. Pretty much the last thing that I need to do is go through all of the stuff in my closet again. So it is currently 1:01 in the afternoon and I'm officially done organizing my closet. I don't remember what time I started today. It was like 9, I want to say 9:30 or something like that. So that didn't take as long as I thought it would. So right now I'm going to show you guys my finished closet. And here it is, you guys. This is crazy. It looks so much better. So here are the cubes. They're all organized. I think it looks so much better. But the stuff I have up there is a little bit cluttered. I will deal with that another day. And then of course there's also some stuff down there that's a little bit cluttered and taking up some space. And then I also have some of the cuter clothes that match like the color scheme of my room out here on the rack. I am so happy with how it turned out. My closet was an absolute mess before this. So now we're gonna go over the numbers of everything. I'm gonna share with you guys exactly how much stuff I kept and how much stuff I got rid of. So in total, there were 271 pieces of clothing. So the grand total of the amount of items that I'm keeping is 107. So the grand total of the items that I'm getting rid of is 172. Shout out to my sister Emily, the math teacher. I texted her and asked her how to figure out the percentage of clothes that I'm keeping and getting rid of. I suck at math so much. I'm very thankful that I never ever have to take another math class again. So Emily said to divide the number of clothes you're getting rid of by the total number of clothes and then multiply that answer by 100. And then the same process for the number of clothes that you're keeping. So we'll do that one first. So 107 divided by 271. Okay. So I'm very happy with myself. I am keeping 39% of my clothes. I'm actually so proud of myself. I was able to get rid of so many clothes, and I know that 107 is still a lot of clothes to have, and I'm not trying to brag about it at all. And I could probably reduce the amount of clothes I have by a lot more. I don't know, I'm just really proud of myself. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any video requests that you wanna see from me, then let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! Hey, feeling good, like